Imagine waking up and realizing every job on Earth has been taken over by AI. No employees, no noise, just machines, silently running everything. This isn't science fiction. This is the future we're heading toward, fast. Curious universe, beyond limits, beyond imagination. In factories, thousands of human workers have been replaced by precise, tireless AI robots. Hotels now use robots to clean rooms, deliver amenities, and even handle check-ins. Robotic chefs prepare food with flawless accuracy. No human hands required. Delivery drones bring packages to your doorstep faster than any driver ever could. Driverless cars navigate busy streets flawlessly, reducing accidents and costs. Hospitals rely on AI for diagnosis, scanning, and treatment planning, often faster than doctors. In schools, AI teachers personalize education for every single student. AI is entering the legal world, analyzing cases in seconds and even assisting in courtrooms. AI news anchors are replacing real presenters, delivering global updates 24/7 without rest. This future could be paradise or chaos. But there's a catch. AI doesn't actually run itself. Humans still program, monitor, and guide these systems. The ultimate control still lies in human hands. The real question is, when AI takes over our jobs, will we adapt or be left behind? Stay curious.